Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the Snapchat notification sound on Android. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down the settings and tap on Apps. In the Apps settings, tap on the Search button in the top right corner, and then search for Snapchat. Tap it to open the settings for it when it comes up. In the Snapchat settings, tap on Notifications. Tap on Snaps and Chats. Tap Sound. You now have lots of different sounds to choose from. Tap on a sound to select it. If you go back to the main notification settings, you can also tap on Quiet Notifications and tap on Sound, and then choose a sound to use for quiet notifications. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.